Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Huntington Bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Huntington Bank website. Log into your Huntington Bank account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting section on the home page. Click on Create a Budget to begin the budgeting process. Select your income sources by entering your monthly earnings. Input all of your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Next, add your variable expenses, including groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Make sure to account for any savings goals you have, such as an emergency fund or retirement. Review your budget summary to ensure all entries are accurate. Use the interactive features to adjust amounts and see how changes affect your budget. Once satisfied, save your budget for future reference. You can access your budget anytime through the budgeting section. Consider setting reminders for yourself to review and update your budget regularly. Utilize Huntington Bank's additional features, such as spending insights and goal tracking. Monitor your transactions regularly to stay on top of your financial health. Adjust your budget as your income or expenses change over time. With consistent management, budgeting can help you achieve your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.